about me and get back to your life.
Eating creme brulee and having heart to heart is not giving you that ticket. Let's get back at it. Come on. Okay.
Okay, I get it. That kiss. It happens, but airport James. Successful, attractive, probably wealthy, and Teddy is sweet.
Teddy is more than just that.
Okay, he can cook.
He's kind and considerate and smart. And his family is hilarious and they're just so full of love. And his mom is adorable. When I left, she hugged me like I was her own.
And I guess when Teddy kissed you,
The world just melted away. Oh my God. I am head over heels for Teddy. The universe hasn't been leading me to James. All the signs are pointing to Teddy.
Here's the thing. We know you're not Santa. Reggie's Santa.
Hey, Reggie. Yeah, he'll be alright. Honestly, we just needed an excuse to get you here because we need to know. Do you like Layla?
Come on. Wait, how do y'all? Oh, we're in it. We've been following the whole thing very closely.
Oh, yeah. You sent us like 710 DMs.
And we're not just reading the text, we're reading the subtext.
Yeah. And call us Sherlock Holmes.
And the emojis, you couldn't have been more obvious.
So, we have to know. Do you have feelings for this girl? Because if you do, she shouldn't be out there with another guy tonight.
Roxy, tell me I'm not crazy going after Teddy.
oh girl, you crazy.
probably got a whole nother family.
So crazy.
That's a storyline. Like, yeah, he lying. I haven't been deployed. I'm off with my family. I spend the other 6 months of the year with. You're like, Lord.
Come on, cheer up. Hey, why don't you go get my bags in the car? There might be a surprise in there for you.
Jimmy calls. I get it. I'll talk to the boys. I love you.
You okay?
Yeah. It's just gonna be really hard this Christmas.
I'll have no fear. Your little sister's here.
Ooh. Oh, I think that's the reporter guy. Give me a second.
Okay. You are sick.
This is my brilliant sister Mona. She's visiting for the holidays. Mona, this is Des Jordan with Culture and Lifestyle magazine.
Really nice to meet you.
Hi.
Here's my card.
Wow, a business card. I haven't seen one.
Okay guys, so I am finishing up. Hopefully this video helped you. When I say I love this texture of hair, it is so natural looking, and that's what she was going for, a natural looking style. If you are looking for that, most definitely try this hair. I'll put it in the video description box. If this video did help you, please make sure you put AV in the comments. Let me know it added some value. But here we go guys. It's nice, it's natural, it's easy to care for, and all you got to do is just spray it with some weave spray every day. Do not put a bunch of crap on it or even some braid spray. That is it. A quick, easy hairstyle. If you like, go ahead and press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to do this, I'll put my information in the video description box. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.